Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tags on the StoryGraph using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the StoryGraph app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home screen, you are ready to begin. Now search for the book you want to tag. Tap on the search icon, type the book title and open the book page. On the book page, tap Edit or Continue Journal. This is where you can customize details for the book. Scroll down until you see the tags. Tap the tag file. You can tap a new tag like favorite, audiobook, book club, then tap add or done on your keyboard. Once you are tagged, your book will add it, then tap save. Your tags are now attached to the book and help you to stay organized. And that's it. That's how you tag or add tags on StoryGraph using an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.